Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing the insightful book, The Gifts of Imperfection by Brené Brown. In this transformative guide, Brown explores the concept of embracing our imperfections and living wholeheartedly. She shares her research and personal experiences to help readers cultivate courage, compassion, and connection in their lives. So, let's dive into the summary of this life-changing book. But before we dive into the content, I kindly request a moment of your time to appreciate this video by liking it, subscribing to the channel, and ringing that notification bell. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you so much. The Gifts of Imperfection by Brené Brown. One of the key themes of the book is the importance of letting go of perfectionism and embracing vulnerability. Brown argues that by accepting our imperfections and vulnerabilities, we can find true happiness and fulfillment. Throughout The Gifts of Imperfection, Brown offers practical advice and exercises to help readers cultivate self-compassion, authenticity, and resilience. She encourages readers to let go of shame and embrace their true selves. The Gifts of Imperfection is a powerful and inspiring book that challenges readers to embrace their imperfections and live authentically. It's a must-read for anyone looking to cultivate a deeper sense of self-acceptance. As we delve deeper into The Gifts of Imperfection, Brené Brown challenges us to let go of the belief that we need to be perfect in order to be worthy. She emphasizes the importance of embracing our imperfections and vulnerabilities as a source of strength and authenticity. Brown introduces the concept of wholehearted living, which involves being courageous, compassionate, and connected. She encourages readers to cultivate these qualities in order to live a more fulfilling and meaningful life. One of the most impactful chapters in the book is on the topic of shame resilience. Brown provides valuable insights and strategies for overcoming shame and building resilience in the face of adversity. She emphasizes the importance of self-compassion and empathy in this process. Basic concepts of the Gifts of Imperfection. Brown lists 10 guideposts or proposals for wholehearted living. These action items encourage us to 1. Be authentic. 2. Give ourselves self-compassion. 3. Build our resilience. 4. Feel grateful and notice its connection to joy. 5. Develop our intuition and trust. 6. Express our creativity. 7. Play and rest. 8. Make time for calm and stillness. 9. Seek meaningful work. 10. Laugh, sing, and dance. Brené Brown quotes from The Gifts of Imperfection. Owning our story and loving ourselves through that process is the bravest things that we will ever do. Once you see a pattern, you can't unsee it. We have to own our story and share it with someone who has earned the right to hear it, someone whom we can count on to respond with compassion. When we fail to set boundaries and hold people accountable, we feel used and mistreated. Technology has become a kind of imposter for connection. We've confused being communicative with feeling connected. If we want to fully experience love and belonging, we must believe that we are worthy of love and belonging. We are biologically, cognitively, physically, and spiritually wired to love, to be loved, and to belong. When those needs are not met, we don't function as we were meant to. We break. We fall apart. We numb. We ache. We hurt others. We get sick. If we really want to live a joyful, connected, and meaningful life, we must talk about things that get in the way. If you trade in your authenticity for safety, you may experience the following: anxiety, depression, eating disorder, addiction, rage, blame, resentment, and inexplicable grief. The question is, does our get in the way of our authenticity? Perfection is not the same as striving to be your best. We're raising children who have little tolerance for disappointment and have a strong sense of entitlement. Comparison is the thief of happiness. I share this quote by theologian Howard Thurman. Don't ask what the world needs. Ask what makes you come alive, and go do it. Because what the world needs is people who have come alive. The book is short and very easy to read. One of the reasons that I enjoy Brown's books and podcasts is how much her personality shines through. She is a research professor, but her writing doesn't sound like it. It reads more like a conversation. The book was just as good the second reading as it had been the first. It is the kind of book that you can read at different times of your life to gain different insights. The Gifts of Imperfection is a guide to living a wholehearted life. Brown wrote this book during what she refers to as her midlife unraveling, a time when you feel a desperate pull to live the life you want to live, not the one you were supposed to live. Overall, The Gifts of Imperfection is a thought-provoking and empowering read that challenges us to embrace our imperfections and live authentically. Brené Brown's wisdom and guidance in this book can help us navigate the complexities of modern life with courage and compassion. Thank you for joining us for this summary of The Gifts of Imperfection by Brené Brown. We hope this overview inspires you to explore the book further and incorporate its valuable lessons into your own life. Remember, imperfections are what make us beautifully human. Until next time, keep embracing your gifts of imperfection. Happy reading!